everybody, it's me, Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Let me get my phone clipped up here. This is going to be a video, showing how I used the star dies that I got from Beebeecraft as part of their YouTube Cooperation program. Whenever I got these, all I saw was Patriotic. And I know you can use stars at Christmas or for birthdays, but I saw a patriotic theme. So I took these dies and I used the Vintage Nation paper pad from the Paper Studio. I did use this little star punch because it was just easier than trying, and it was a different size. It was like in between this, the smallest one and next to the smallest one. It's thundering here. I don't know if you can hear it or not. So I took these dies and I made this card. This is the biggest. This is the next to it, and this is the next one down. I believe that's how I had them sized. And the die cut really well. I mean, it cut really, really nice and smooth and just right through the paper. I used just a plain cardstock base that I folded and cut to size, and I used white cardstock paper, and I inked it just a little bit with red, and then on the red paper I used score tape. Let me get that. I got stuff flying all over here, sorry. But I use, actually this is the scrapbook.com. But, and I put it down, and then I had some Martha Stewart glitter, and it was the ultra fine. I had it everywhere. It's still on my desktop. I cut this word out of the paper. But those dies, and you can see the stitching, and they cut really well. This one I popped up, made it dimensional. This is dimensional here. This one is a little dimensional, but I like the stitching. It's very vintage, and this paper, the dies just lent itself to the paper because the paper is vintage. I know that this looks like it's got a little bit of gold in it, but I think it turned out really well. I'd never tried to use glitter with score tape before, but these dies right here, that's, like I said, they cut really well, and I think it turned out very pretty. And I will list the product number below in the description if you want these dies. Alright, but those dies come along in a package with these and these. And I haven't used these yet because I really had the idea for those star dies. So I will get back on here with another video and show you what else I will create. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.